how to install Milestone Credit Card app. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Milestone Credit Card app on your iOS or Android. If you're looking to manage your credit card account and track your payments more easily, this app is a great tool. Before you download the Milestone Credit Card app, there are a couple of things to make sure of. For iOS users, so make sure you have iPhone or iPad running iOS 12 or higher. And for Android, make sure you have your software updated to the latest updates. Now, what you need is go to the App Store, or simply you can go to the Google Play Store on Android. Once you're on the app, tap on the search button at the bottom and type in Milestone Credit Card. Look for the official Milestone Credit Card app in the search results. Now it should be listed as a Milestone. After that, simply you can tap on Get or Download button. Now the app will begin downloading and installing after you enter your Apple ID password, or you can also confirm with your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID to authorize the download. And that's it. That's how you simply download Milestone Credit Card app on your phone.